Cornerstones works to support those folks in the community that have needs for housing, for food, for emergency assistance, for childcare, for other human services, to help folks reach a better level of stability and self-sufficiency.
Cornerstones helps more than 25,000 people, men, women, and children in this area each year.
Cornerstones has several remote locations, and those remote locations are dependent upon communication and IT and everything moving smoothly.
IT is definitely a strong driver in our organization because it helps us get to the next step.
The Cornerstones project began as a result of the director of IT leaving here at Cornerstones.
When I first contacted NeoSystems to come in and help us out when our previous IT support left, I interviewed 4 other companies, and I felt like they were trying to sell me a BMW on a you-go budget.
We needed somebody that really knew how to keep us running in terms of our IT needs, and NeoSystems does that for us.
NeoSystems provides managed IT services to Cornerstones. We are their virtual CIO. We are their IT directors. We are their support for anything technical.
We're an organization that's based on partnership, and we understand the importance of partnership. And for us, the IT needs of a large social service agency that has multiple sites, that requires connectivity in so many different ways, is so important to us.
The challenges that Cornerstones faces is unlike a lot of our commercial customers. They get a lot of their funding from grants and have to wait for new technology. So consequently, they're using, I wouldn't say outdated technology, but it's dated a bit. That presents challenges. We're looking forward to helping them bring some of the newer technology to them and upgrading in various areas.
NeoSystems has just been a great addition. They bring the knowledge and the expertise that we needed. What we do well is help others and help people get back on their feet. We needed somebody that really knew how to keep us running in terms of our IT needs, and NeoSystems does that for us.
The long-term goals of working with NeoSystems are helping sustain us, help look at our cost analysis and look at all our vendors. We've already saved money.
I think we offer NeoSystems and its employees a chance to really give back and make a difference in our community, working through our programs and helping others. The company has a long track record for getting involved, and so I think that's a wonderful mutual benefit for both organizations.
Working with Cornerstones, I am lucky enough to work with these people who make a difference for other people.
We're very pleased to be able to provide the back office support for IT for Cornerstones. As our motto goes, grow ahead, we've got your back office.
Each time I hear one of our partners talk about their stressors dealing with either in-house IT or other IT companies, and I'll say, I got somebody for you.